Hello everybody. I just wanted to show you how to drill through Formica doors without chipping the back. What I'll do is I'll get a piece of wood and I'll put it behind the door with a clamp. Like this. Sometimes you don't have a sharp bit, which mine's not too sharp today, but I don't have an extra one. And I don't want to break the Formica in the back. So I put that piece of wood in there, go on my line. And drill through. Take my clamp off, take the wood off. And there, oops, excuse me, you will have a hole can't even see, but without any chips. So that's how you do it.